Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and we're on our way to Pakenham, Ontario to pick up 2 bourbon red young hens for next year and a big black tom for this year. See those mountains, folks? We live on the other side of them. There, we're safe and sound in her crate. I don't know how well you can see. Oh, do you hear that, Tom Turkey? We just loaded the crate with straw and then strapped a blanket over it. Now let's go find Mummy's turkeys. Oh, look at the handsome boy. Look at the handsome boy. Yes, a miss. That sounded like a gun.
Yeah. Our neighbor likes to shoot squirrels.
Oh, squirrel's good eating, you know that?
Haven't tried one.
Have you ever eaten squirrel?
Nope.
Soak it overnight after it's skinned. Soak it overnight in buttermilk. And then flour it and bread it and fry it.
Okay.
Come here, the handsome boy. Oh my goodness.
We got...
Is he the one that we brought Rose for?
Yeah.
We'll give you the...
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the sheep. Hello, Cheep Cheeps.
They're babies, them lads.
Hello. You're a handsome boy. Look at you. Look at the sheep. So these are all just pets.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, folks. Yes, there are homesteaders who just raise animals for pets. We're not those folks. Oh, the handsome boy. Yes, a miss. He's a beauty, folks. Oh, yes, a miss. There he is. So we're going to have a whole new Ruby and Rose.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get the door. He's already gobbling to me and everything. There we go. There we go. These guys will keep each other warm. And here comes Ruby and Ruthie, I think. Okay. And she goes. Pretty girls. They have their own yard and everything, but not until spring. Oh my goodness.
She took him for a walk because he kind of controls the barnyard.
Jethro! Oh my goodness. Yes, my goodness. Hello, darling. Oh, poof. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you like that? Oh yes, a handsome boy. Yes, it is. With Jethro. Mwah. Jethro giving kisses. Mickey, thank you kindly. Papa is cleaning out the small pen because we're going to put our black turkey, Tom Turkey, in here with the 2 Narragansett females.
There you go.
What do you think? What do you think, girls? You got a new bow. Yes. Daddy will bring in some water and some food. See what pops up in conversation. All right, you guys, get to know each other. Be kind. We're going to see if competition actually makes them compete to, you know, be daddies. This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, once again, spring has sprung, and there's going to be babies a-hatching.
I wish.
Take care. God bless.